Now we will discuss regarding some important applied anatomy for the lungs with respect to the bronchopulmonary segments. I have told you that is the posterior apical bronchopulmonary segment, that is the number 2, and the apical posterior bronchopulmonary segments, that is number 2, and the apical segments of the lower lobe, number 6, is in the dependent position and has been caught by the foreign body or the aspiration pneumonia, particularly in the supine positions. This knowledge is helpful for the natural drainage. If this part is affected by the pneumonia and having the abscess, the persons or the diseased persons is asked to lie in the prone positions, and patting is given to the back of their chest for the natural expectorations of this abscess material. But here is some problem of doing this. If you remember that the origin of this 6 bronchopulmonary segment is more vicinity to the middle lobe bronchus of the right lung. So pus material may percolate from here to there or from here to there. So both are in a grave position for such type of natural drainage. And the conditions of having the aspirations pneumonia of the apical lobe of the apical segments of the lower lobe of the both lung is called the Mendelssohn syndrome. Now you just see this opening has been surrounded by the hilar lymph nodes, which has the catchment area for the middle lobe of the right lung as well as the apical lobe of the apical segments of the lower lobe of the right lung. If any reason arises for the enlargement of that hilar lymph node, it may compress the opening of the middle lobe bronchus, and if the middle lobe bronchus has been compressed, there will be no aerations for the middle lobe of the right lung, and it has been collapsed. Okay, and this is termed as the middle lobe syndrome. As the apical tertiary bronchus or the bronchopulmonary segments of the lower lobe are in odd positions for the natural drainage, sometimes it is better to resect them out by the segmental dissections rather than natural drainage of those area by the postural positions. Okay, I have told you regarding the likeness or regarding the preponderance of aspiration pneumonia, why this is more common for the right lungs. Okay, now lastly I want to mention you that the apical lobe of both the lungs, okay, apical lobe of the both the lungs is the site for the cancerous tissue. It has been observed, and the posterior lobes of the upper or the posterior bronchopulmonary segments of the upper lobe is